Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Knotty Threads. Today's video is something different and unique. I had a lot of this anchor thread lying around, so I just decided to grab all of the scrap threads, and that is when I made this keychain using the crochet technique. So it's very colorful and it's an amazing gifting idea, and it's very simple to make. We will just need a keychain, a donut base, or any plastic ring that is lying around, and some scrap yarn or anchor thread. You can do this basically with any thread you have at home. So I had these very small pieces, and I decided to use them all up. So for this I'm using this kind of a plastic ring along with the hook 1.75 millimeter. So starting off with the black thread, because I had a little more quantity of black thread, made a slip stitch here and then fixing it to the ring, and then I will just keep working single crochets all around the ring till the complete ring is covered. The pattern is very simple, and you can make any kind of changes as per your choice. If you don't want to make single crochet, you can replace it with the double crochet stitch. Since the ring is already big, I thought single crochet will be good, but in case you're using a smaller ring, then you can probably replace the stitch with a double crochet. So no counting or anything, I just kept going until the complete plastic base is covered. So here we go, I have covered the complete plastic base, and I am going to do a slip stitch in the first stitch, and let's go ahead and do the chain base. So worked 3 chains, and then I am working 1 double crochet each on every single crochet. Now this step is completely optional. If you want, you can skip this step and directly go towards working the petal part. I just wanted to so that the black color is more enhanced, so that is the reason I am working double crochet. If you want, you can skip the first step as well and replace it with double crochet and then continue with the third step, or you can do like how I am doing, or you can skip this part and then continue with the next part. So all three will look slightly different. So it's very easy. You guys should definitely try this out. So here we go. I finished working the double crochets on every single crochet, and this is going to be the last stitch. So here in the first double crochet I'm going to do a slip stitch. So our base is completely ready. So I'm going to trim it off and pull the thread that's on the hook and keep the black color aside. See how pretty and neat it looks. So now let's start adding some colors. So pick up random colors, starting off with a slip knot, and then you can start from anywhere. Fix it using a single crochet, and the only thing you have to remember is to work 3 chains every time you fix the new color. And then I'm going to work 2 double crochets in one stitch and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Again work 3 chains. You can either do a single crochet or a slip stitch, whichever you are comfortable with. And while you're working these stitches, make sure to conceal the tail. So that is when the finishing will be neat, and there will be not much of weaving to be done. So right now the tail that we already concealed, I'm going to trim that, and I will be concealing this new tail that is left after working the slip stitch while I'm doing the next color. So basically we will have to just keep repeating the same process. So after the green color, I am continuing the same process with the next color, starting off with a slip knot and then fix it in the next single crochet by doing a single crochet again like we did earlier. And this time we are going to work 3 chains, and then the stitch count remains the same, but I will have to conceal both these tails while I am working my double crochets. So 2 double crochets each in one stitch, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. and then I'm going to finish it off by working 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and then a slip stitch in the next stitch. And that's how I concealed all the threads, so that there is nothing, no loose ends or anything visible. Again, trim this one and continue exactly the same with the next color. This time I'm going to trim off these two tails. So this is an amazing idea to use up all the scrap yarn, because after doing a lot of embroidery there is a lot of small pieces that will be left, so this is a great idea to put them all to use. So now I'm using the off-white color, and I decided to just give a kind of outline. So just next to my last petal, again made a slip stitch, fixed it using a single crochet, and in every stitch I'm just going to work single crochet, and while I'm doing that I'm concealing the tails of the last petal and the tail that is left after attaching this color, that is off-white. So keep tightening the tail, and once you've worked around 5 to 6 stitches you can trim off the tails. So keep working one single crochet each in every stitch, and we are almost done. So it's always better to work an odd number of petals, so that it will be easy for us to identify the center and fix the keychain. So that's the center. Right opposite to my fourth petal, I have attached this keychain while working my single crochets. So 3 to 4 single crochets inside the keychain ring will fix it, and then I'm going to continue working my single crochets until I reach the first petal. So with that, we have learned how to work a beautiful keychain using all the scrap yarn. So do let me know how you like this idea, and also let me know how you guys use all the scrap yarn that you have left after doing your embroidery, or there's a lot of thread that goes waste, especially when we do sari kuchu or embroidery using the cotton threads, or even crochet projects for that matter. Right, so now is the last step where I am weaving off the loose end by using a tapestry needle. Just trying to weave it inside the same color so that the thread is not visible. So if you are used to doing a lot of crochet, then you know what I mean. This is the final step generally in every crochet project we do. So there we go, we have a lovely colorful keychain ready for gifting. Do let me know in your comments what you think about this video, and in case you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's all in this one. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.